Hi, this is Fran with Stampendous, and I'm going to play with some of our little Everyday Chicks set. And these are very fun because you have the clear stamps and you've got a set of dies to go with all of those little pieces. So let's take a look how they come together here, because as you can see, you can enjoy using them for large cards or little miniature cards. I've put some of the larger little chicks onto my handles here, and they just cling on, and I find that I can maybe use one block with one on each side where I can still see clearly where I'm going with it. And in case I want to do some Copic marker coloring, I've got my Memento ink. So I've got several different colors of yellows. I want to make sure that my ink is dry. And I'm going to intentionally color over the lines because I'm going to die cut these. And it's just the more forgiving for lining it up. So I wanted to suggest that you get all of the dies in a connected panel here. And if you wanted to stamp on scrap pieces, you could potentially keep the dies together and run it through just using that one little piece off the edge. But if you want to take some kind of snips, then you can go through and clip apart each of the dies so that you can work with them separately. And here we've cut some apart. You can see how you can position all of the little pieces on top and then run through a whole group of them at one time through your die cutter of choice. As you can see, the dies are going to cut out all of the pieces right up to the edge, and this allows it to work for putting the hats and the glasses and all of that onto your little chicks. And over here you can see, here's a really fun little congrats graduation card, and the little patterns make a really nice background pattern like that. And if you wanted to, just like that, the card would make a really nice card for one of the guys. But if you wanted to add a little chick, you can actually add him as well. And you can see the little graduation cap there. Can either be on his head or being thrown up in the air over here, however you like. We've got lots of little cutout pieces, and now we can play with them to try some different things. Like you might just simply add a little character that way against a printed paper in the background. You can enjoy any number of interesting prints or backgrounds that you've created for all of your little chicks. And the little oval almost looks like a spotlight here, and that may just help some of the little characters to stand out. And then this set here, this is the Greetings Galore clear set, and all of the little tiny messages are going to work really well with the scale of the Everyday Chicks. And here's other ones with the circles, would be very fun to use almost as a way to frame a little grouping of chicks. So I hope you have lots of fun with the Everyday Chicks and create a Stampendous impression every time.